Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-season, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.